Quack, quack, splash away. Learning colors every day. Come along and slide with me. White duck zooms down the red slide from way up high. Splash! Now the duck is bright red too. Red, red, red for me and you. White duck slides fast into the blue pool. 1, 2, 3, splash! Now the duck is bright blue. Blue, blue, blue is the clue. White duck slides with cheer into the yellow pool so clear. Splash! Now the duck is yellow bright. Yellow shines like sunshine light. White duck takes a fast ride into the green pool inside. Splash! Now the duck is green today. Green, 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 let's play. White duck zooms down quick into the orange pool so slick. Splash! Now the duck is orange bright. Orange is a happy sight. White duck slides with glee into the indigo pool by the sea. Splash! Now the duck is indigo too. A deep blue purple shining through. White duck slides with pride into the violet pool to take a ride. Splash! Now the duck is violet bright.